this is a great occasion and opportunity, let's say, to meet both InsurTech startups and corporates, meaning insurance companies. And I really think that this kind of event is the right place to make a combination of the two environments, because my feeling is that they need to work more closely together. Obviously, insurance companies will lose part of their value chain, part of their services, part of the link with final customers, but they need right now to focus on the right InsurTech startup, the right technology, let's say, to create a huge ecosystem that will allow them to stay in the game.
Do you think the insurance sector should work more together with InsurTech?
Yes, I think InsurTech will also help us as insurers to do a lot of things together. For instance, we are working now with blockchain together with Aegon and 10 other insurance companies in the world. And we are changing the complete process of reinsurance.
I think for a lot of process improvements or things that you cannot all do by yourself, I would think that partnering is a good solution.
Can you explain how it works?
Well, we do a few things, but we're mostly known for our auction process, is where we tender individual motor insurance claims amongst a network of 300 body shops. And we do that for covered claims, for non-covered claims, but also for liability claims. And especially the last part is very interesting for insurers to see how we can lower liability claims costs altogether as a market.
Can you tell me a bit about your company?
Sure. So I'm one of the 3 co-founders of Spixi. Spixi, we help people getting better protected, and we do that by developing automation and AI technology for insurance companies. AI is the future of electricity. I strongly believe that. Data will drive more development of AI, and it's like a feeding wheel. AI will drive more generation of data, etc., and it's going to touch every industry.
Do you think regulation is a roadblock for innovation in the insurance sector?
Well, I hope not. And I think indeed the reason why I also was present here today, for example, is also for people to tell us if there are actual problems in the legislation. Of course, there are barriers for a reason sometimes, but in innovation there can also be barriers where they shouldn't be.
And what could all insurers do right now?
Yeah, I think, as one of the speakers said, do you really want to be in the play, stay in the game? Do you want to be a player or do you want to be being played? I think that's the main question. I think everybody drives home with that question in mind. How much effort do you want to put into this? But it's not going away. InsurTech is here to stay.